This is an aerial view of Stony Creek Farm in historic Franklin, Tennessee. In 2005, when we bought the farm, we had no idea what God had in store for us. But we have since then developed a teaching farm where we teach others how to grow their own healthy food without pesticides or harmful chemicals, and also how to use their resources wisely for future generations. We jumped off the corporate ladder to further develop our dream, and now we have 7 income streams that come from our sustainable life. We have a U-Pick summer garden, garden rental plots, and classes in the homesteading arts, which teach things like gardening, beekeeping, canning, fermenting, and so much more. Our goal is to develop a wider audience and create a forum for people who can share ideas and mentor each other about sustainable living. Next, we want to share more about us and why we created this membership site. Hello, I'm Lee.
And I'm Olin, and we're the owners of Stony Creek Farm here in historic Franklin, Tennessee. Lee and I have had the privilege of living out our dreams here at Stony Creek Farm over the past 14 years, and we want that same thing for you. Our goal in starting the dirtrich membership site is to help you reach your dreams and your goals, whether that be having income on a small farm, being able to buy a piece of land, or to have a more joyful and stress-free life wherever you are.
You know, Helen Keller had a great quote, and it kind of applies to us. Alone, we can do so little, but together we can do so much, and that's why we created the Dirtrich community website. So tell you a little bit about our Facebook resources that we'll have available to you. We'll have learning topics, 10 different learning topics in units that you'll be able to actually go on and download and learn on your own. Then we'll also have an ebook on how to grow your own healthy food without pesticides. We'll have weekly webinars and tutorial videos, things like preserving your own healthy food, canning 101, how to make your own kefir, and a lot of different other topics. And then we'll also have income stream ideas so that you can be more passionate about the type of work that you're going to be doing in your sustainable life.
So we are very excited to be able to share with you our past 14 years of experience living here at the farm, our ups, downs, crazy things that's happened. And we look forward to you joining our membership site.
So subscribe today so that we can motivate and inspire you to have your own sustainable life.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.